right? అంతే కదా. Or we can say let this is the x length of this line. Okay, this point is some MB is x and MA is also x and let this total MC is equal to some y. What about this AC? X square plus y square to square root. Similarly BC
also root
x square plus y square is square root. Like this also we can say these two lengths are having the same distance, same length. Okay, this point is equidistant from the points A and B. Okay, so all the points on the perpendicular bisector of line BC are equidistant from the points A and B. Okay, right, simply perpendicular bisector. Next one. C is a point inside the angle XYZ such that C is equidistant from YZ and YX they have given. Equidistance from YX and YZ means sides of that angle. Okay, right. So that C must be on the angle bisector of XYZ. C must be on the angle bisector of XYZ. Okay, what they are asking, what is the angle bisector? Angle bisector means it is the line which divides this angle into two parts equally. Okay, that is only the angle bisector, nothing is there, right? It is the line which divides this angle into two equal parts, that is angle bisector. Normal bisector ante it is the line which divides the segment into two equal parts. If it is perpendicular, that is called perpendicular bisector. Here it is the line which bisects this angle into two equal parts, so it is called angle bisector. Okay, considering some point C on this line. Okay, now what is the distance of this point C from the line XY? A point to the line distance means generally we consider the minimum distance,
straight line,
perpendicular distance. So the perpendicular distance from this point to
C.
some point A I am considering. Similarly, some point B I am considering. Okay, P and it is Q. Here also the distance from this point
is the shortest minimum
to distance from the point to the line. By default, it is a minimum distance we will consider. Okay, the minimum distance from this point to this line is the perpendicular distance from this point to this line, and these two are of the equal angles, right? These two are of the equal angles. Some A I am considering.
Okay.
A, and here it is 90 minus A.
90 minus A.
And here it is
90 minus A.
90 minus A. From angle, side angle.
Like
ASA, we can say Y.
We can also say from SA.
CP is congruent to YCQ. From this we can write CP equal to CQ, comma YC equal to YC, and YP equal to
YQ.
YQ. That is only they are asking. Okay, a C is a point inside angle XYZ such that C is equidistant from YZ and YX as shown. C must be on the angle bisector of XYZ they are asking. The reverse hai kada. Be a point lie on the angle bisector which is the equidistant from the sides of that angle. Here this point is equidistant from the sides of the angle. So this point lie on the angle bisector of this Y. Okay, angle bisector of this angle Y. Perpendicular bisector, angle bisector. Clear na? For every point on the perpendicular bisector is equidistant from the points A and B. Already we have seen in previous question. Okay, and every point on this angle bisector is equidistant from the sides of that angle. Any we can consider. Here also we can consider some D. This is also equidistant from the sides of that angle. Okay, all points on the angle bisector are equidistant from the sides of that angle. all the points on the perpendicular bisector are equidistant from the endpoints of the saline segment. Okay, clear కదా?
ఈ
Right.
సిమిలర్ ఎస్ఎస్ ప్రకారం ప్రూవ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఈ సిమిలర్ ఎస్ఎస్ ప్రకారం.
Yes.
AS కూడా ఉంది. మనం డైరెక్ట్ YP ఈక్వల్ YQ కూడా అనొచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే YC అనేది హైపోటెన్యూస్ రెండిటికి కామన్. PC ఇంకా CQ కూడా ఈక్వల్. అంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా మైనస్ చేసుకుంటూ రూట్ చేసుకుంటే రెండిటికి సేమ్ వచ్చింది PY ఇంకా YQ.
సో ఓకే.
దాని ప్రకారం ఎస్ఎస్ లేకపోతే YC ఇంకా PC కి మధ్యలో యాంగిల్ ఇందాక కనుక్కున్నాం 90 మైనస్ A. దాని ప్రకారం చెప్పుకోవచ్చు.
ఓకే, నువ్వేమంటావు ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫామ్ చేస్తానంటావు. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ హైపోటెన్యూస్. YC is common to both the triangles. This is one side. So this I am letting this value equal to square root of PC square plus
PC square
plus YC square. This is also square root of PC square.
YC square minus
hypotenuse, right? Square root of YC square minus PC square. This is also square root of
YC square minus CQ square.
Minus CQ square. Both are same only. So this is equal to square root of YC square minus CP square. Both are same only. And from SAS.
We have same.
From SAS, these two triangles are congruent triangles and corresponding angles are equal, right? YPC congruent to
YPC congruent to YQC.
YQC. From this, the angle Y of this triangle is equal to angle Y of this triangle. This is also we can prove it. So A, this is A. Okay, this is the reverse way I have considered. By treating this as angle bisector, we have proved every point on this angle bisector is equidistant from the sides of the triangle. Okay, they are given some point C which is equidistant from the sides of the triangle. We have proved this is these two angles are equal. But nothing but C lying on the line which bisects the angle Y. Angle XYZ. Okay, ఇది చూడడానికి ఈజీనే, బట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేయగలగాలి ఫట్ అని చెప్పి. ఓహో, దే ఆర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ద యాంగిల్ బైసెక్టర్, దే ఆర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ద పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బైసెక్టర్. ఓకే, మెనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ దే విల్ ఫ్రేమ్. ఓకే, దీని తర్వాత కోఆర్డినేటర్స్ సైక్లిక్ కోఆర్డినేటర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ సైక్లిక్ కోఆర్డినేటర్స్ లో బిగ్ ఆర్ఎంఓ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని అవే ఉంటాయి ఆల్మోస్ట్ జామెట్రీలో ఆర్ఎంఓ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే, అన్ని సర్కిల్, కోఆర్డినేటరు, ఇన్సెంటరు, ఐ మీన్ సర్కంసెంటరు, యాంగిల్ బైసెక్టర్, ఐసోసెలస్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్, సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్, కాంగ్రుయెంట్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ అవన్నీ కంబైన్ చేసి క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేస్తారు. అదే మీ ఆర్ఎంఓ క్వశ్చన్స్, పిఆర్ఎంఓ క్వశ్చన్స్, ఐఓక్యూఎం క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ ఈజీగానే ఉంటుంది, క్వశ్చన్ లో అప్లై చేయడం దగ్గర కష్టం ఉంటుంది. ఈవెన్ ఐసోసెలస్ ట్రయాంగిల్ కూడా అప్లై చేయడం కూడా అంత సడన్ గా స్ట్రైక్ అవ్వదు. ఓకే, బి కేర్ఫుల్ అబౌట్ ఇట్, ఆల్ దీస్ పాయింట్స్. Now describe all the points that are equidistant from two intersecting lines, right? Two intersecting lines. Or they are asking the points, those are equidistant from these two intersecting lines. And the points are ekkada untayi?
దాన్ని లైన్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ గీసుకోవాలి ఫస్ట్. బైసెక్టింగ్ two intersecting lines అన్నారు అంతే.
Points, those are two equidistant from two intersecting lines. దీని నుంచి సేమ్ ఉండాలి, దీని నుంచి సేమ్ ఉండాలి.
పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ అన్నీ అవే.
ఓకే, ఆ పాయింట్స్ అన్ని ఏ లైన్ మీద ఉంటాయి?
అన్ని ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూడు, అవన్నీ వీటి మీద అంటే ఎనీ పాయింట్ ఇస్ ఈక్విడిస్టెంట్ టు,
అంటే ఆ పాయింట్స్ అన్ని ఏ లైన్ మీద ఉంటాయి? ఈ లోకస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఆల్ పాయింట్స్ ఏమంటారు? లైన్ ఆన్ వాట్ లైన్, విచ్ లైన్? These all points are lying on some line. What is that line we called?
Angle bisector.
Angle bisector of?
Angle bisector of the
this triangle. ఇప్పుడే చెప్పింది, చూడడానికి ఈజీగానే ఉంటుంది, క్వశ్చన్స్ అప్లై చేయడం ఈజీ కాదు, బి కేర్ఫుల్ అబౌట్ ఇట్ అని చెప్పి. దేనికి ఈక్వల్ ఉంటాయి ఇవన్నీ?
యాంగిల్ బైసెక్టర్ కదా,
ఇది లై ఆన్ ద యాంగిల్ బైసెక్టర్ ఓన్లీ. Suppose if we consider these points are here, if we consider points, they are equidistant from this line I am writing, then also
the locus of those points
locus of this point is lie on the angle bisector of this angle only. Okay, చిన్నగానే ఉంటుంది. Which is points, those are equidistant from the two intersecting lines. Intersecting lines ఇవి వాటికి ఈక్విడిస్టెన్స్ లో ఉన్నాయి. Those are entering the points are lie on the angle bisector of this angle. Okay, right. Next one. Find the right. See some triangle A, B, C. Okay. What is the perpendicular bisector of this line I am drawing? Perpendicular bisector of this line.
This.
Passing through definitely the midpoint of this BC and is perpendicular to BC. Right? And next one more perpendicular bisector I am considering this one. Right? This is also definitely passes through
the midpoint. The midpoint of AB.
Midpoint of AB, and it is perpendicular to
AB.
this one. This intersecting point I am treating as some O. Okay. Now this O is definitely equidistant from
B and C.
So from this we can write OB is equal to OC. This is the point lying on the perpendicular bisector of BC. At the same time, this is the point lying on the perpendicular bisector of
AB.
Perpendicular bisector of AB. So this is also equidistant from the points
A and B.
Equidistance from the points A and B. Right. So this we can write OA is equal to
OA equal to OB equal to OC.
OB. From these two we can write OA equal to
OC.
OB equal to
OC.
OC. Now OB equal to OC, OA equal to OB. So OA equal to OC. From this we have OA equal to
OA equal to
OC. That is O is equidistance from this points A and C. So definitely this whole lie on the perpendicular bisector of AC also. Right? So from this we can conclude the perpendicular bisectors of this triangle ABC are concurrent. That is nothing but concurrent. For some lines are concurrent means those are having the common intersection point. Okay, from this O is the common intersection point of all these three perpendicular bisectors. Right? All these three perpendicular bisectors. So we can say these three perpendicular bisectors are concurrent.
Okay.
They are like passing through some point intersection that named as O. Here we are having OA equal to OB equal to OC. If you draw, that is nothing but if you draw a circle with a center O, it will passes through
A, B and C.
All passes through three vertices of this triangle. So circle is called
circumcircle.
మాట్లాడు నిద్ర వస్తుంది మళ్ళీ నీకు circumcircle and this O is called circumcenter. O is called circumcenter. Right? ప్రూవ్ చేసాం కదా నీకు ఏ టూ లైన్స్ అయినా సరే either parallel, a coincident or intersecting. Okay, here these two perpendicular bisectors are not at all parallel or not at all coincident. So definitely they should intersect. Starting perpendicular bisector of this BC and perpendicular bisector of AB should intersect at some point O. Okay, from this we have proved OA equal to OB equal to OC. From there OA equal to OC. If a point is equidistant from these 2 points, then that point definitely lie on the perpendicular bisector of AC. So the point of intersection of all these 3 perpendicular bisectors is O, and we can say the perpendicular bisectors of triangle are concurrent. Already we have OA equal to OB equal to OC. Okay, by treating this as the radius and O as the center, the corresponding circle is called circumcircle. Whenever you have a circle passing through all 3 vertices of the triangle, immediately you should get an idea about the circumcircle. Okay? Right. Whenever you see, wherever you see. Okay? Right. In future we will call this as the cyclic triangle. That we will see later. No problem. Okay, that we will see later. That concept is different. After quadrilaterals we will see. Okay, clear now?
Yeah.
Right. Now, if this triangle is a right angle triangle, A B C. Okay, this triangle is the right angle triangle. I am considering the perpendicular bisector of this line AB. This is bisect and it is perpendicular to this line AB. Here it is 90, here also 90, that 90, 90. So these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel, so corresponding angles are equal. So from the basic similar triangle A similarity, we can say ABC DE I am writing.
ADE similar to ABC.
ADE
Similar to ABC.
similar to ABC. From this directly immediately ఎక్కడైనా సరే మిడ్ పాయింట్స్ కనుక్కోగానే రేషియో రాసేసుకోగలగాలి. ఓకే, AD by AB is equal to DE by BC is equal to AE by. From this we have AD by AB equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to AE by AC. So E is the midpoint of this line hypotenuse. We conclude this A is the midpoint of E is the midpoint of AC. Okay, right. Now if you are planning to draw a perpendicular bisector of this line AC, it definitely pass అవుతుంది. Definitely you should pass through E because E is the midpoint. Perpendicular bisector means you should pass through E. So definitely the perpendicular bisector of this line AC is passes through E. Then what about the perpendicular bisector of BC? It must passes through.
It must pass through the midpoint of BC.
Okay.
Or from E.
From E ఎందుకు? Perpendicular bisectors are concurrent. Perpendicular bisectors are concurrent. Already we have a one point of intersection of these two perpendicular bisectors. So definitely third perpendicular bisector is passes through
the point E.
Point E. So we can call, if you draw a circle, very very powerful point it is with respect to your RMO quotients point of view or PRMO quotients point of view. Okay, identification of this right triangle is very very crucial. టీచర్ ఈ రోజు చేస్తావు, క్వశ్చన్ చేసేటప్పుడు కూడా తెలుస్తుంది ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంట్ అనేది. సడన్ గా స్ట్రైక్ అవ్వదు, క్వశ్చన్ ఏదో పెద్ద డయాగ్రామ్ ఉంటుంది, అందులో ఎక్కడో చిన్న పార్ట్ లో రైట్ యాంగిల్ ఉండేసి ఈ ప్రాపర్టీలో ఇస్తారు. ఇమ్మీడియట్ గా ఈయన మిడ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ద మిడ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ హైపోటెన్యూస్, ఇది సర్కమ్ సెంటర్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేయగలగాలి. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం, ప్రాక్టీస్ అదే వస్తాయి, అన్ని వస్తాయి. ఓకే, నౌ హియర్ ఇఫ్ యు డ్రా ఎ సర్కిల్ విత్ సెంటర్ O అండ్ రేడియస్
center O and radius O BE. Okay, AE BE and CE.
AE EB and CB. Okay, in generally circumcenter always represented with O, circumcenter. Okay, so we can call this is the circumcircle with radius EA
EC and EB.
EB equal to AC. Right, so circumcenter of the hypotenuse right angle triangle is midpoint of
AC hypotenuse.
Midpoint of hypotenuse, MP of hypo. Okay, MP of hypotenuse. Right, clear now? Now what they are asking now, find the circumradius of equilateral triangle. ఫట్ పని చేయొచ్చు కదా. Circumradius of equilateral triangle they are asking. Some triangle A, B, C and side length 6. Okay, perpendicular bisectors are definitely passes through midpoint of this one because of isosceles triangle only. Okay, perpendicular bisector, it means it is passes through the midpoint of this line. Right, so this value will be 3, this is 3, 3, right? 3, sorry, here also 3, here also 3. What we are asked to calculate, what is the circumradius of an equilateral triangle they are asking. Okay, this value they are asking. Circumradius of this triangle they are asking. Right, how can you calculate?
Because
Okay.
Begin right by congruent angles.
Huh?
ఇవన్నీ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బైసెక్టర్ అని మార్క్ చేయి ఇంకో దగ్గర ఇది పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బైసెక్టర్. ఇందాక మనం ఒకటి చూసాం కదా ఇది యాంగిల్ బైసెక్టర్ అని. అట్లానే చేసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళు ఇది యాంగిల్ బైసెక్టర్ కదా ఇంకా డైరెక్ట్ బి.
ఇది ఈక్వేటర్ ట్రయాంగిల్, రైట్? పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బైసెక్టర్ means definitely passes through the angle A and it makes this corresponding angle is equal to 30 ఇవన్నీ తెలుసు. Okay, isosceles equilateral triangle also called as isosceles triangle. Okay, this is 90 and here also this is 30 and this triangle is
30-60-90 triangle,
or you can say here is equal to 60, but you don't know the length of this line.
We know the length of 60 opposite side 3.
Yes, we have the length of this one. The corresponding triangle here it is the 30-60-90. 1:√3:2. Sorry, √3 p equal to 3. P equal to
√3.
3/√3, that is √3. P equal to √3. And what about this length?
That is 3/√3. అదే ఇంకోటి
circumradius means this is we want. Okay, corresponding circumradius
6/√3 అదే అంటే అది 6/√3 అంటే
p equal to √3.
6/√3 అంటే 2√3 కదా.
2√3 p equal to √3. Yes, the length of the side opposite to 90 is 2p. So this is equal to 2√3. This is the required circumradius of this equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle isosceles 30-60-90 ఫార్మ్ చేయడం ఏ కావాలంటే రాసేసుకోవటం. Right? Next. Now see, find the radius of the circle with center O. అదేం సర్కిల్ అది చూడగానే circle passing through all vertices of the triangle. This circumcircle and the corresponding center is circumcenter. Okay, what they are asking, they have given BC is equal to 8. BC length 8 and QO here they have given 2. Immediately you can write this value is equal to 2√2
4
hypotenuse 104
2 4 అది మొత్తం 8.
BC is equal to 8. Okay. Total is 8. BC 8. Okay, అలా ఉంచు. What you need to calculate? Radius of the shown circle. Circumradius అడుగుతున్నారు. Okay. Right.
Because you know the length
It is the circumcenter and
we have perpendicular bisector
making 90 degrees with this BC. Definitely it is the perpendicular bisector. Identification of this line. This line is the perpendicular bisector. ఎందుకు ఓనే circumcenter and it is perpendicular to the base B. So definitely it is the perpendicular bisector of BC directly. So you can write the corresponding length here equal to 4 and here equal to 4. 1 no 2. So this is equal to 2√5. OC is 2√5. That is only they are asking. Okay, identification అంతే. నీకు ఇది 90 అని ఇచ్చారు, మిడ్ పాయింట్ అని ఇవ్వలేదు. Q is the mid point of BC అని ఇవ్వలేదు. Okay, from the knowledge of the circumcenter and the line passing through this circumcenter is perpendicular to BC. Definitely it is a perpendicular bisector. Okay, అక్కడి నుంచి మనకు తెలిసింది this value equal to 4, this value equal to 4 అని. Right? What is the circumradius of circumradius of triangle?
Triangle with length of 6 and 8.
6 8. It is 10 now. Circumcenter ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది?
Hypotenuse
మిడ్ పాయింట్ circumcenter ఉంటుంది, రైట్? సో corresponding circumradius is
radius is 5.
OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to simply 10/2 which is equal to 5. For right angle triangle it lies on the తెలుసుగా circumcenter is the midpoint of hypotenuse. From this you can write. Next, segments GH HI, see, segments GH, HI and IG are tangent to the circle with center C as shown. Given that angle GH equal to, okay, this one more circle. Right. Earlier we have seen circumcircle A, B, C. Okay, I am considering the angle bisector of this angle B and angle bisector of this angle something. Okay, the point of intersection I am treating as
Center. Circumcenter. Circumcenter.
Angle bisector.
Circumcenter.
Some center, some point of intersection I am writing. Okay, some point I. Okay, this point I is definitely equidistant from
any point to
this,
the lines AB and
this point I is lying on this angle bisector and it is equidistant from the sides of this angle. That is AB and BC. Some D I am writing. D, E. So ID is equal to IE. Similarly, this I is lying on this angle bisector also. From this also we can say.
Then we can say that
IF is equal to
IF equal to
IC. From these two we can write
ICR.
ID equal to IE. Right? Equidistant from these two sides side lengths. From this we can write ID equal to
IE equal to IF.
ID equal to IF. That is nothing but this point I is also equidistant from this sides from the side AB and AC. So definitely the point lie on the angle bisector of angle A. So the three angle bisectors are also concurrent. The point of intersection of these angle bisector is denoted by I. If you draw a circle with center I and radius ID equal to IE equal to IF, then the corresponding circle is called incircle. Right? The circle is, in previous case, the circle is passing through all vertices of the triangle. In this case, the circle is passing through, circle is tangent to all sides of the triangle. Immediately we have to identify. Okay, this, from this we can say this corresponding angle equal to some x, here also some x, it is y, here also y, here also y, or some z, Okay, this is the incircle and previous one is the circumcircle. Right now, the circle tangent to all sides of the triangle. In questions, they will never mention about the incircle. Simply, they will give you there is a circle which is tangent to all sides of the triangle. Immediately, we should identify, oh, the given circle is the incircle. There is a circle which is passing through all vertices of the triangle. Immediately, we should recognize the given circle is a circumcircle. Okay, there that is equidistant from the vertices of the triangle. Here it is the center in the equidistance from the sides of the triangle. Okay. Clear? Right. The segments GH, the segments GH, GI and IG are tangent to the circle with center C. So corresponding circle is incircle and the center C is the incenter, which is to be equidistant from the all sides of the triangle. Right, as shown. Given that angle GHI is equal to 70, this total is 70. Right?
Yeah.
And the C lie on the angle bisector because it is the incenter. No? So the HC is the angle bisector and corresponding angle here it is equal to 35 and 35. and angle GIH 50. This is 50, right? So this will be 25, this will be 25 because this is the in center. In center means point of intersection of angle bisectors. But nothing but the CI is the angle bisector of this angle I. So total is 50. Here it will be 25. అదేమవుతున్నారు యాంగిల్ సిఐహెచ్ 25, యాంగిల్ హెచ్సిఐ 180 minus of 35 plus 25, 180 minus 60, 120, right? This is the required angle 120. Only here it is identification. This C is the in center. In center is nothing but it lie on the angle bisector. In previous question also, only identification is that is the circumcenter. Circumcenter lie on the perpendicular bisector. Okay. Find AC and XQ in the triangles. See, we have angle bisector for some triangle A, B, C, right? I'm treating this is the angle bisector, some X, some X. Simply I'm drawing a line which is parallel to triangle. Means it is a figure between two parallel lines. Many times we have seen. Okay, base is lying on the one parallel line and another vertex is lying on the another parallel line. It is between the pair of parallel lines, right? So this is the actual figure of this triangle. Now by extending this one, it will cut somewhere it will cut this parallel line. Okay, and now it acts as a transverse line to AB and
transverse line to AB.
This is CD. This is some line M. I'm treating some line M. So it is the transverse line to these two lines AB and M. Corresponding opposite here it is called X. Here this value also will be X. In the down side, down left side. Here it will be X. Vertical angle, here it will be X. Or directly alternate angles X. Now this is the which triangle it is?
Isosceles.
Which triangle it is?
Isosceles.
Isosceles triangle, because these two angles are equal, opposite sides are equal. Okay, right. Now what about this angle? Vertical angles equal now.
Equal.
Vertical angles, here is X, so here is Y. Here this is
180 minus X minus Y.
180 minus of X plus Y, right? Similarly here
180 minus of X plus Y.
180 minus of
X plus Y.
immediately ఏం కనిపిస్తున్నాయి?
Congruent triangles. So similar triangles.
From A similarity,
we have ABD similar to
ABD similar to
XD.
A అంటే X. X కి ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ ఏమో పెట్టుకున్నాం, ఏం పెట్టలేదు, సమ్ E. EC B కి 180 minus, so ECD, right? From this corresponding ratio, AB divided by EC is equal to
BD divided
by CD is equal to AD divided by ED, and this EC can be written as AC, right? So AB by AC is equal to BD by
divided by
CD. Just very powerful ratio it is.
So we can write it as AB by BD equal to AC by CD.
Whatever, AB by AC is equal to BD by CD. From this we can write whatever, ఏదైనా కానీ.
Okay.
Immediately గా రాసుకోవాలి, తెలియాలి. AB by BD is equal to AC by CD. This is called angle bisector theorem something. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఏంటి? This is the angle bisector, right? Ratio of these two sides. ఒక సైడ్ ఉన్న రేషియో సైడ్స్ AB divided by BD is equal to another side AC divided by CD. Or we can say ఈ యాంగిల్ bisector ఇటు సైడ్ ఉన్న రెండు AB by AC is equal to BD by CD. Immediately either this way or this way, whenever we have angle bisector, immediately we should write this ratio. క్వశ్చన్లో ఎక్కడైనా రేషియో ఆఫ్ సైడ్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నారంటే యాంగిల్ బైసెక్టర్ థియరం మైండ్ లోకి వచ్చా. సింప్లీ అప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఓన్లీ, నథింగ్ ఇస్ దేర్. Actual triangle is the figure between two parallel lines. Just to extend the angle bisector. Okay, and apply the concept of similar triangles. ఎక్కడైనా మన రేషియో ఉంది అంటే either similar triangles కాన్సెప్ట్ కానీ లేదా రేషియో ఆఫ్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్. Okay, similar triangle concept. From this we have AB by AC is equal to BD by CD. Okay, this writing is important. ఆర్డర్ లో రాసుకో కరెక్ట్ గా. అయితే ఈ రెండు గేమ్ తీసుకో. ఏది యాంగిల్ బైసెక్టర్ ఒక సైడ్ ఉన్నది, AB by BD is equal to AC by CD. ఆర్ అదర్వైజ్ ఇక్కడికైనా తీసుకో డైరెక్ట్గా అయినా కానీ. ఈ సైడ్స్ రేషియో ఫస్ట్, యాంగిల్ యొక్క సైడ్స్ రేషియో AB by AC is equal to correspondingly AB corresponding BD, AC corresponding CD. Okay, AB by AC is equal to BD by CD. Anything is called angle bisector theorem.
Okay,
అదే దాని అప్లికేషన్ అది.
ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చేసారు లెన్స్ ఆల్రెడీ.
ఓకే, దాన్ని ఇచ్చారు. మళ్ళీ మామూలుగా తీసుకోవాలనుకుంటే ప్యారలల్ లైన్ డ్రా చేసుకొని ఇది ఎక్షన్ అవుతుంది, కట్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ ఈక్వల్, సేమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్. సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ ద కరస్పాండింగ్ రేషియోస్. నేను డైరెక్ట్ రాస్తున్నా ఇక్కడ, సమ్ x ఐ యామ్ ట్రీటింగ్.
12
12 divided by 6 is equal to x by 7. From this x is equal to 14. Okay, what about that one? Here it is the angle bisector, right? Whenever you have angle bisector, immediately ఇది రాసుకుంటున్నా. yz 8 divided by 9 equal to some x. Here is some y. This will be 12 minus y. So 8 by 9 equal to 8 correspondingly y divided by 9 correspondingly 12 minus y. From this 96 minus 8y equal to 9y and y equal to 96 upon 17. 96 upon 17. 96 by 17.